Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to look at Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is basically a software to do with making calculations. In the last video we made, we were looking at Microsoft Word. We are typing some things and making some changes. Today we are going to look at Excel. Excel is another program. It's not like Word. For Excel, it's about making calculations. For example, you want to run an Excel program onto your computer. In case the computer has such a program, you go to this window button. Then you look for. You can either type in Excel here. The program can come. It's here. You can type in Excel here, then the program comes around here, so it's here. Let's say you open it. It looks like this. It has a mat like structure. It has a structure of a mat. It has columns and rows. Columns, that is A, B, C, D up to Z maybe, and then now it has rows 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So as I told you at the start that Excel is about making calculations. We're going to make some simple calculations today. I'm having my simple Excel here. I'm having a program here about Excel. So this program is basically a simple example of students, let's say in a school, doing certain subjects. We have the columns A, B, C, D, E. Columns having column A having names, B, C up to E having subjects. Now, the most important key in Excel is that Excel makes calculations when you make one single formula. It makes calculations for all people here when you make a single formula. It doesn't require to put many formula to certain people. Let's drag an example here. Let's say you want to calculate the total of each student here. The first student is Kasozi Marvin. He got 89 in math, 77 in English, and 99 history, chemistry 78. You want to calculate a total. You want to start typing. You type a formula, equal sign, sum, and that's a function for total. When you're calculating total, you type equal sign, sum, then you open your bracket, and then you look at the first subject. You look at the first subject. It's in which cell? You know, Excel also has cells. A cell means the name of that particular area where a mark or any text is. For example, this mark 89 is in cell B2, B and then 2. This is cell B2. So we're going to type B2, equal sign sum B2, then 2. The last subject is in cell E2. I said E2 because here it is in E and then 2. His last mark is in E2. So we needed the first cell and then the last cell is name. Equal sign sum, open brackets, B2 to E2, and then you close. Then you run. When you close, you simply press enter onto your keyboard and then you run. So I told you earlier on that Microsoft Excel, you enter formula once and then it calculates the formula of the rest of the people. Like here, I've only entered a formula at the first name of a student. Let's say you have 1,000 students. Excel makes you work so easy. You type a formula once and then you do what I'm doing here. So when you get your answer here, you drag, you bring your cursor to this black square thing here, and then it brings that sign. It's called a fill cup. When it brings that sign, you should drag until it brings that black cross. Are you seeing it? That one. When it brings that black cross, you're going to hold your left button. You hold your left button, you hold your left button with that black cross, not that one, but that one. You hold your left button and then you drag downwards up to the last student. Then you release. You see that it has calculated all the students' total marks. So that's the one of the key importances of Excel. You enter formula once, and then it calculates the rest of the people's answers using a VLOOKUP. Let me bring another example here. Let's say we want to calculate positions of students, equal sign rank. Position runs with rank. Total, we used equal sign sum. For position, we're going to use equal sign rank. Equal sign rank, open brackets, we want to base our position onto the student's total. So the total is in F2, right? After putting F2, you put a comma. Sorry. Some kind of disturbance here. Computer is slowing down. F2, comma. Press onto your keyboard at 4, shift and then 4, $F, $2, and then 2, $F, $7, comma, 0, and then close. So, sorry about that. We're on to this. So let's first drag and then I explain this formula. So yes, let's go back. When you want to go back to your formula, we are going to, you press at whatever cell that has been calculated. When I press at this, it can bring a formula here. When I press at this, it can still bring a formula. But if you want to edit a formula, you press twice, left button, twice. So it brings the formula. I said equal sign rank. Rank is a function for calculating positions. F2 is the cell we are basing onto to calculate the position. That's why we typed F2. Then you provide dollar signs, $F, $2, and then 2, $F, $7. I said $F, $7 because the last student is at F7, right? Yes, Nsibambi is at Nsibambi total is at F7, and then it's a reason as to why we have put A at $F, $7, and then comma 0 means it arranges them in ascending order from that one with the highest, giving him or her position 1 to the lowest, giving him or her the last position. Okay, a good time, a nice time. Keep on subscribing onto my YouTube channel for more and more about computer studies and ICT. Bye bye.